afternoon. My name is Francis Kleijs and I'm project manager for the firma Inagro in Belgium. Inagro is a company who occupies himself with advice and innovation in agriculture. We also do a lot of European projects, and I'm the project manager of an Interreg North-West Europe-project called Greenhouse. And Greenhouse is a project that tries to make the transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources a lot more easier. And we'd like to do that by developing a tool that would advise the farmers and especially the greenhouse holders how they could do it, what source for them is available, and what would the cost be and what would the benefits be. And in that way, we support them to make that transition.
Hi, I'm Martin Amé. I'm research leader at Agrotopia. Agrotopia is a site from Inagro, and Inagro is a research center for the horti and agriculture in Flanders. So my expectation for the greenhouse are that we can make a difference and really fasten the transition to fossil-free horticulture in Europe.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm working for the Institute for Applied Material Flow Management at the University of Applied Sciences Trier. And together with different other partners, we're working in the Greenhouse project and trying to develop a tool to help not only growers or greenhouse operators, but also their various stakeholders, like municipalities, to make a transition to renewable energies. And I think there's already a lot on the market, but we'll make a tool that makes it easy to use and give you a solution or a result that you can use to make the transition easy and possible.
Hello, my name is Dan Rastovets. I work as a project manager in the Institute for the Applied Material Flow Management from Trier. I'm working on a project called Area Greenhouse, which means we want to improve the greenhouse sector by implementing renewable energies and replace the fossil fuel energies. And this can contribute significantly to the energy security, not only to Europe, but also to reduce greenhouse gas emissions around the world.
Hello, I'm Marcel Doave, a civil engineer. I'm working in Luxembourg in the IFSB. I'm working for the Greenhouse project Interreg North-West Europe to reduce the impact of the heating system in the greenhouses, reduce also the CO2 impact for the greenhouses and accessory for the building near the greenhouses.
Joris Dubosc, I work for Astridor Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes in France. For the Greenhouse project, I worked with a pilot site in the Ain department in France. So the greenhouses are heated with a wood pellet heat system. And I think this project is very interesting for the region and all the regions to help growers in the transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy systems.
I'm Evelyn Rink. I'm working at Inagro. I'm a scientist and advisor for farmers at this company. With this project, we try to reduce the CO2 and help the farmers to go to renewable energy.
My name is Carsten Wilhelm. I'm working for the IFAS Institute. IFAS Institute is an institute of the University of Trier. My business fields are climate protection, climate adaptation projects, also horticulture projects, and energy projects. And the Greenhouse project is for us a really important project to transform the horticulture sector from the fossil to renewable energies.
I'm Tinne. I work for Inagro as energy advisor and energy researcher. I would like that greenhouses produce more sustainable energy because then they can be more self-sufficient and can use more of the renewable energy they produce themselves, and that can help the region to be in the energy transition and be more self-sufficient and sustainable.
My name is Robert Berg-Reenegouwen. I participate in the project Greenhouse on request of Greenport West Holland.
And in our region, there's a lot of horticulture, and we want to shift horticulture from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. And this is all what the Great Greenhouse is all about. I think the project will show insight for greenhouse holders and other stakeholders surrounding the horticulture sector.
Hi, I'm Mathilde Perrier and I'm an advisor in horticulture. And every day I help farmers to adopt the good practice in terms of production and also energy and environment. So my implication in this project with greenhouses will give me a tool to help them to make the best choice in terms of energy for their greenhouses, because horticultural production is too much related to fossil fuels, and we need to help them to adopt new energy and also as renewable energy like biomass or solar panels or other but we need to give them some information and help them to adopt those practices.
Hello, Henri Frelon. I am a French project manager for Vegepolis Valley. Vegepolis Valley is a competitiveness cluster in the field area to help enterprise to have innovations. We are involved in the Interreg North-West project in order to disseminate the results and inform the project partners of the needed of the end users like greenhouse growers. And we are very happy to participate to this program because energy is a very important creations issue for greenhouse holders.
And what do you think is the impact in your region from that perspective? How do the growers perceive this? Is this going to be welcome? Are they going to be skeptical, or are they going to actually use it?
Actually, greenhouse holders use gas to heat their greenhouse, and we have seen it during the 22 years with energy crisis that it could have a very important impact for their production. So they are looking for other solutions, more sustainable solutions. So if we can have a tool which helps them to choose which can be the better solution for them in their area, culture, production, and also the regulations
yes,
in their country. It will be very useful for producers.
I'm Pauline Dion. I work at TUAS, that's the Hague University of Applied Sciences. 3 days a week I'm a teacher, and 1 day a week I do research. 2 different topics about energy and transition. And I work now for energy and transition and greenhouses. And we would like it if we can implement it also in our education system. We have a lot of engineers. It's very important to us to work with sustainable goals. So it would be nice to have to learn from our research and integrate it in education.
Hello, my name is Pieter Verkruijsen from Inagro, researcher from the Department Energy and Circular Economy. And with the Greenhouse project, we want to research the possibilities for renewable energy sources in greenhouses. We want to supply the growers information about what type of energy sources they can use in their greenhouse to replace the fossil fuels.
Hi, my name is Bert Ruik. I'm a researcher at the Interreg Research Station in West Flanders, Roeselare. I represent one of the researchers who is working at Agrotopia, one of the pilot sites taking part in the greenhouse project. And I'm very interested in participating in this project because energy is extremely important for the greenhouse sector, especially to make a transition away from fossil fuels. And within this project I hope to learn and contribute to improve our knowledge for the growers and policymakers on how to adopt fossil-free technologies to heat and produce in our greenhouses.
My name is Laure. I work at Astrodor, the Plant Professional Institute. I work in Marseille, in the southeast of France, and I'm in charge of developing European projects. So to find projects that are important for the strategy of Astrodor, and so the climate change and energy are really important for our growers. So that's why Greenhouse will be a really interesting project. We will have new knowledge to share with our producer about how to choose their energy and how to save it.